This is a government broadcast authorized by His Majesty. We regret to inform you that as of midnight, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland will cease to exist. The nuclear strikes of which have decimated our land have rendered the government incapable of establishing order in the aftermath of the nuclear war. No attempts of rescue efforts are to be expected. The Prime Minister is dead. The cities that have suffered nuclear strikes are as follows: London, Manchester, Birmingham, Liverpool, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Cardiff, Bristol, Newcastle, Leeds, Plymouth, Portsmouth, Reading, Cambridge, Oxford, Hull, Southampton, Sheffield, Coventry and Norwich. We are sorry for not only what has occurred, but for what the future holds. We wish you the best of luck, and God save the King.